Welcome back to another video. So Kredioo has sent me these over. So these are gel polishes, but they are special gel polishes. So these are, ta-da! So these are liner gels. How cute are these? So they are little 5ml bottles. Look at these brushes. They are so thin. So thin. You get a gold, silver, black, white, and then neons. I love that it comes with your black, your white, your gold, your silver, all your colours, and then it's got a bonus red and a bonus pale pink. So this is the gold. The gold and the silver are beautiful, really strong, shimmery, kind of perfect for outlining things. Really strong, kind of shimmery, nice gold and nice silver. Yeah, they'd be really nice for outlining things. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give them all a quick swatch along this stick. Oh my gosh, guys, honestly, these are so opaque, so nice to use. The brush is it's quite a stiff brush. It stays where it doesn't smudge or slip or slide. I was so impressed with these little gels. Really impressed. All I'm going to do today is just have a little play, really, guys. I wasn't particularly happy with the design I did, but it's like one of them when you get some liner gels and you want to use all the colours all in one go. That's kind of what I did. But yeah, I had good fun, so I'll let you watch the rest of these swatches and I'll be back. How nice are those colours? Look at the gold, silver, the black and the white. Just really nice colours. I absolutely love them last 6 that I swatched. Beautiful. So these are available on Amazon, I forgot to tell you. If I've got any discount codes, Amazon coupon codes, I'll leave all the info in the description box. So these 3 are out of the Kredioo nude set that I got. I couldn't decide between this beautiful pale pink. This is kind of a really nice creamy colour. That's the one I ended up going with. And I very nearly used this one. These kind of nudes look brilliant with neons. So I went with the middle one. So ultra long nails today because I wanted to use all of them. No, I didn't use all of them. I think I used 6. So I'm just using the Kredioo base coat. Cured that for 30 seconds. And I'm just going to paint all the nails with this 009 out of the nude collection. I will leave the links to the liner gels and I'll leave the links to this nude collection as well because it's a beautiful set of 6, you know, for just base colours, especially if you're using neons and bright colours over summer. These kind of nude base colours are really nice. Right, so they've had 2 coats. I gave them a second coat off camera. And I'm just going to give them a matte top coat because, yeah, it's easier to paint on a matte surface. That's what I'm trying to say. So these are going to have a quick matte top coat. Stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So, really quick, easy design. I just wanted to play about with the liner gels and see what they'd be like. So, yeah, this is just going to be a really quick, easy design, really. So on this nail, I'm just going to do a bit of a zigzag chevron. Yeah, that's what you call it, chevron. Like I've just done with the green there. And I'm just going to follow that right down the nail using, I think I used 6 of the colours. I'm not going to show you all 6. I'll show you one, miss one, show you one, miss one. This pink's gorgeous. I love it. So yeah, I'll let you watch this and I'll be back in a sec. So that's that first nail done. I mean, yeah, I've showed the colours, they're nice. So on this next nail, similar thing, just using all different colours. I'm going to do a bit of a crisscross design. Each crisscross is going to be a different colour. This blue, do you know, I keep saying this green, this blue, this yellow, they're all the same. They're all really, really nice to paint with. Really opaque, really creamy. The brushes are really nice, really thin. And the brushes, they go to a really pinpoint on them. Yeah, they're nice. It's late at night, guys. You all know I should not be doing voiceovers late at night. But it needs doing, so I'll let you watch again and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, that's that nail done as well. So on this ring, I'm not going to show you the pinky, I'm not going to bore you, I'm just going to show you this ring finger. Again, this is just going to be like the chevron, but half a chevron. So basically just straight lines. Oh, tired. So that is them nearly finished. So what I'm doing now is I'm giving them a glossy top coat, nice generous layer, just because them lines are a bit lumpy bumpy. So yeah, just so I can give them a buff and get them really nice and smooth. So now I'm going to give them a matte top coat because I wanted these to be matte. So a quick matte top coat, cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then we're going to get some gems stuck on and get them finished. So I'm just using some rhinestone glue now that this cures in the lamp for 30 seconds, this rhinestone glue. And I'm just going to dot about some neon gems and some AB gems on this ring finger. Yeah, and that'll be then finished. How bright and wacky are they? But I like them. I really like them. I just wanted to play about with the gels today and show you them. And I'm really impressed. I've been impressed with all Kredioo gel polishes so far. Yeah, I can't fault them and I can't fault these. Really opaque, really creamy. Any discounts, any coupons for Amazon, I'll leave all that info in my description box. But that's it for today, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.